In this video, we watch our two sponsored motocross riders race down in Woodstock, Queensland. Let's get into it. We are now just leaving my brother's house to head down to Woodstock, where the two boys, Caden and Byron, are going to be racing today. So we are a little bit late because we had some stuff we had to organise this morning, so fingers crossed we haven't missed them, but we have the drives now. So we're going to have a little bit of a driving montage, and I'll see you when we get to Woodstock. Let's go.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you want to be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Here by the motocross, the motorbikes in the background, we have just arrived at the Townsville motocross track. So now we're gonna go find the boys, and yeah, hopefully we get to see them ride. Yeah, buddy. I'm so excited. Let's get to it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it reputation.
He's up there in third.
Yeah, third. Now second.
He's cruising around there. He's in second. Yeah. Come on, Brian. Yeah, Byron. Yeah, buddy. Second place. Second place. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Tired? Yeah, good work, man. Oh, you got the whole shot. Go, Weaver. Go, Byron, go! Yes, Byron! He's up there. Second, third? Second. Go, Byron. Hey, buddy. How about the
good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, yo. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo.
Cocanos. That's alright, beat him, beat him! Good work, bro. Alright, Kados, run us through the journey, mate. What happened?
Fall.
Ran around the corner. Did you run into someone?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. You feel alright?
Yeah.
You made up some spots. So after the first few races, it was time to have something to eat and a little bit of a break and a chat with the boys. But just like that, it was time to get back into racing. Go Byron. Go Byron. Three, son. That's it. Who's in third? Yes, bar. Stand up. Yes, Bard. Go, son. Alright, we're with Byron. He's had 3 races today because he rides in 2 class.
What did you get?
The one that my camera's currently sitting on, what's that? 60?
65.
65, and then he also rides on the 80 class. So he's ridden on the 80 class twice today. That last race which we watched, you done really well, mate. You come in 2nd or 3rd?
This one was 85.
85.
I got, in the first one I got a 5th, then this last one I got a 5th.
5th again,
And
that's right.
yesterday I got a 4th and then a 5th.
And another 5th, yeah. So you'd be sitting around the 4th or 5th on the actual overall ladder, which is really good. He got the whole shot, mind you, which is really cool. And now he's just got the 65s to race on, and he came 2nd in that last one that we saw before. Here's Kados. Boy, what's that? Chicken palmy for the win. So Kados, how did you go just then, mate?
Very good.
Really good. He had a good start. We're sitting around middle of the pack, but that first corner gets very scary, doesn't it? There's a lot of ruts in it. And he had a little tumble, but you were quick to get back up, make sure the other guy was alright, and keep going. And then we're proud of you because you managed to make up like 5 or 6 spots. So that was really, really good. Did you have fun?
Yeah, very fun.
Yep. We're coming down to the next one. We'll probably be down here again in December, so be sure you guys do subscribe and drop a like on the video.
Yeah, sub to right.
Just like that, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun.